I am Russell Morgan, founding member of the Morgan Legal Group, and today I want to talk to you about what to do when your spouse disinherits you. So we have a client that I'm working with that came in last week who was married happily with 2 stepchildren who he treated as his own, and his wife unfortunately passed away. As soon as she passed away, he found out that she had left all of her assets to her stepchildren. So what do we do in that situation? His wife had some money in the bank. She had a life insurance policy and a 401k, all of which had death beneficiaries who happened to be her stepkids. The husband ended up essentially walking away with nothing. They didn't own a marital residence, they didn't have a home, they rented all their lives, and the husband came for help to see if he had any rights to claim under her estate. So in New York, there's something called the spousal right of election. And what this means is a spouse who's disinherited, who's left with nothing from their spouse when they pass away, can claim up to 1/3 or 50%, the greater of the deceased spouse gross estate. Now, that includes everything. Probate assets and non-probate assets. And non-probate assets are things with death beneficiaries already listed. So things like a bank account where you would say, at my death, my daughter gets the account, in his case, where it was his stepdaughter. Or in a life insurance policy where you designate who the death beneficiary is, which in this case was the stepson. And at the end of all of this, we take all of the money combined in all of these probate and non-probate assets, and he gets 1/3, even though they were already left to someone else. So the key takeaway here is you have options when you're disinherited. We can make sure that you are able to exercise your elective share. The catch is there is a very limited time to do it. So we have 6 months from the date of the appointment of an administrator for the estate to actually claim your elective share. Now, that's plenty of time for some people, but the other issue is if the people who took the money took it and spent it, then you're out of options. So you do have an issue of timing when you're dealing with the elective share. So the bottom line is there's always an option, specifically in these types of circumstances, and we are here to help.